Nicole, we should make a video.
Broke the car. Come on.
I did?
Yeah, you broke the car.
His big one.
I'm okay.
Ew.
Let me start the recording. Hey guys, welcome back to my another epic vlog. Today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new GoPro and I'm going to do some shots with it. As you can see, it has a really smooth screen and the lens is great. You can pop it off and on, but you can just put it right there and it's a great lens. And so we're going to see how durable this thing is. Let's go check it out.
I don't think it's very durable.
Okay guys, so I found the GoPro. It seems pretty durable. It's not cracked at all.
He does have the eye of the tiger.
Are you sure about that?
The lens fell off, but now we're gonna see what it does when it's hit against metal. Never cracks at all. The lens never cracks. The camera never cracks.
Welcome to Basketball Trick Shot 7.
Oh! We're going to make the video. This is Cole hanging from a tree for 30 seconds.
Oh, whoa, 30 seconds went
30 seconds went by. Yeah,
That's pretty amazing.
Bye, Jacob. That's what I thought.
Do 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 do